In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your product number or license key effectively. This is an essential step when setting up new software or trying to troubleshoot existing issues. Let's get started by making sure you're fully equipped with the know-how to manage your software with ease. First, let's talk about why verifying your product number or license key is so crucial. A license key acts as a gatekeeper, allowing access to software or unlocking features you've purchased. Whether it's software for productivity, creative work, or security, verification is what ensures that you, as a genuine user, have access to all the functionality you've paid for. The very first step is simple but important. You need to re-enter your product number or license key carefully. Sometimes errors occur more often than we might like to admit. It's all too easy to mix up zeros with the letter O or mistake a capital I for a lowercase l. Be sure to input these characters exactly as they appear, such as in an email or on the packaging of your software. Once you've re-entered your license key, if you're still facing trouble, it might be time to contact support. Most software providers have dedicated support teams ready to assist you. Whether by phone, email, or live chat, reaching out to these professionals can help unearth issues you might not be able to solve alone. When contacting support, have all your purchase details handy. This includes your order number, product version, and any error messages you might be encountering. Now, if re-entering your key or contacting support hasn't done the trick, another thing to consider is updating or even reinstalling your software. Sometimes, the root of the problem lies in a software glitch or an outdated version. This can particularly be the case with programs that frequently update or patch bugs. Start by checking for any available updates in the software settings or options menu. If updates are available, download and install the latest version. This may resolve compatibility issues or bugs you weren't even aware of. However, if an update isn't available, or if updating doesn't solve the issue, consider a complete reinstallation. Uninstall the current version of the software through your system's Programs or Applications menu, then download a fresh copy from the official website. Ensure you're using the same product number or license key during this process. With these steps, you'll be on your way to resolving any license key verification issues. Remember, patience and attention to detail can often streamline what may initially seem like a daunting task. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials just like this one. Happy computing!